All right, I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to be super fast. We have SMTs marked out here. Still looking for the possible short setup. Um, though this could just be incorrect and not valid yet. We'll see. I mean, this is happening at the close. We still might need a wick to take out the highs before we reverse. But anyways, actually, we'll just use this. Close. Calls were negative all day, though they did recover in the net premium with puts coming down into the close, but not a lot of premium here, so it's not as significant. But if you look at the tide, it is uh, always significant. And we have calls being sold or puts being sold, but calls were also being sold all day from after we ramped up while we were grinding higher. And so that tells me like we're pretty much confirmed for a reversal. So I think that that's actually lining up with this. I'm in a swing short, could just be taken out and set up again for tomorrow, but there's no news today or tomorrow, so I decided that maybe the open of the session was a good kill zone or a key time to possibly get in a short, though it is rare. Um, Other than that, QQQ puts coming down, calls coming down, mostly put premiums, though into the close started to switch over into calls. Looks like, yeah, not as clear too. Holdings, calls were oscillating up and down, kind of like what always happens with put selling off, but most of the premiums being the calls still, but we were rallying most of the day, so we were green. So yeah, as for Russell, bearish, bearish. So that might be the key. Russell has relative equal highs here, so it makes sense that we'd sweep those in reverse. So what I'm looking for is the short and then possibly an SMT long in Russell if we create an SMT as we break lows if we reverse. So other than that, nothing is really clear yet. It's just, you know, little range here. Nothing's displacing higher. If you go to the 4 hour, we have displaced higher, but we need to give some more time to see if we rebalance that. Whereas NASDAQ is weaker and it has rebalanced already. You can see now, wow, Dow Jones did have a nice displacement. Everybody did. So we want to see this rebalance. If not, we are just going to continue bullishly. 4 hour chart, we did displace below the prior lows, but not the previous high. So that's exactly what we're looking for a short. Otherwise, we are displacing higher on everything else. So it is a risky trade, but still going to take it because that's exactly what I've been looking for all week. And it is a swing. It is on a fucking uh, challenge account still, so don't really care too much if I lose. And yeah, it's a low win rate account, so that's what it's for. So yeah, other than that, I feel like that's it. I've already looked at the stock tickers and nothing's too different. So